Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood here with a quick tech tip for you guys. So if you're working on something that is polished that you're going to be welding, fixturing, clamping to a table, and you do not want to mess up the polished surface or anything like that, what I like to do is actually take a set of these our welding clamps, and of course make sure that they are all nice and smooth. You can even hit them with a DA sander. Make sure they're smooth, and then take a little bit of painter's tape and put it over the feet on this, so that when you clamp everything down, it gives it a little bit of a cushion that will not scratch the surface, but will keep everything secure, and will also keep it safe so that you don't end up with a bunch of scratch marks after you're done welding something. So I'm going to be taping up these clamps here to clamp down all of these stainless hairpins that I'm making, so that we can start TIG welding them. Alright, so there's a quick way that you guys could tape up all of your welding clamps for some temporary clamping on things that are polished or really, really nice, and you don't want any chance of them getting scratched as you're welding or setting everything up. Hopefully this little tech tip will help you in the future. If you want to check out all of our welding clamps, you can click the link down below, or you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks guys, catch you later.